Hello everybody, welcome again to Check Reality. Hello Karina, the pretty babies. And welcome to a very special video. Kind of snuck up on me, but today is my 1-year anniversary of being on hormone replacement therapy. I feel like I've said this a couple times, but in case you don't know, I am transgendered, and it has been 1 freaking year since I started taking my hormones. It's been a very interesting year. It's been a very exciting year. I mean, honestly, weirdly enough, 2020 has been one of the best years of my life, because I've gotten to be authentic, like myself, not hiding shit, no more secrets. Like, you guys can see her in the background. I just, like, I don't know. I don't even know what to say in this video, honestly. I just think this shit is so cool. I made a video, like, little picture video thing, because I've taken a lot of pictures over the years, okay? It starts with the first time I was out as trans. I was out in about 2014, I came out. And I was out for a couple years, and then some stuff happened, and I ended up going back in the closet for like 5 years, 6 years. Sorry, I had to take the collar off. And now she looks sad. Had to take, sorry. So, I was back in the closet for 6 years, and then slowly I started to come out, and then, obviously on October 23rd, 2019, I essentially, got prescribed, spironolactone and, estradiol. In this video, and I'm gonna show you guys the video. I pronounced it estradiol, but it's estradiol. I just was saying it weird because it's the first time I'd ever seen the word. And yeah, you guys are gonna see a lot of it, photos. Some of them I don't look too happy in because I was not. Since 2014, which is like 6 years, there have been some very, like, sad times in my life. Like, you know, depression kind of stuff. And I mean, I haven't really talked about it because it's not really relevant to any of the stuff in my videos. But I mean, it is a part of my life. You know, these would be photos and videos that I didn't necessarily post online on my social media or on YouTube, but they were photos I took. And you're gonna notice that there are a lot more photos from after my transition started, because I started to become more confident in myself. Started to like what I saw in the mirror, and I wanted to take photos of it, and just really interesting. I almost envy the people that take photos every single day of the year, but I can't. Like, I don't have the time nor the patience to, like, really think about that at least, like, once a day, you know? So, but I really like this video. It's really fun, so. Here it is right now. estradiol. Got my spironolactone. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. So I have a feeling that with this video, I'm gonna get a lot of people who find my channel and find this video in specific because you guys are about to start or have already started your transition, and a lot of you are probably feeling like scared if you haven't started it and worried if you have. I know that, I mean, even still to this day, like, I still get a little, like, in my own head about it, like, why aren't things changing more? What's happening? Like, why? Like, a lot of things will change very suddenly, but they're not necessarily the things that you want to change, like, right away. Then other things will take forever, you know? My top has been a very slow process for me. And I almost wanted to make a video where I talk about the effects that I've seen with my transition. Because I feel like there's a lot of misinformation that goes out there. A lot of people will lie. A lot of people will just spread they'll say things like, oh, you know, my shoe size changed, or oh, I lost weight, or oh, this, like, a lot of stuff. People will say a lot of stuff, and I can give you guys my experience. It's not necessarily scientific, but I mean, I will include things that my endocrinologist has told me, because there were a lot of questions I had, and he was like, no, that's not realistic, or yeah, you know, that might happen, or, you know, things like that. So if you guys want a video like that, please let me know. But otherwise, yeah, I just wanted to spread this just awesomeness. I really love this. I'm really happy right now. And obviously that video highlighted a certain someone who came into my life. That was a very sudden, and also just really, like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I have her. She really has been helping me, especially a lot lately. So I'm really happy. So anyways, that's all I really had to say today. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.